Unlocking personal success with SMART goals.
Setting clear goals is essential for achieving personal success. The SMART framework, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, offers a proven way to set goals you can actually accomplish. Let's explore each step so you can confidently turn your ambitions into action and see genuine results.
Be specific. Define your goal clearly.
A goal should be clearly defined. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, specify what that means. Like, I want to jog 3 days a week. The more precise you are, the easier it becomes to focus your efforts and know exactly what you're working toward.
Make it measurable. Track your progress.
Goals need a way to measure progress. Ask yourself, how will I know when I've achieved this? Quantifiable targets, such as lose 10 pounds or read 5 books, help you track success and stay motivated as you see tangible progress.
Ensure achievability. Set realistic expectations.
It's important to set challenging yet realistic goals. Consider your resources, knowledge, and time. An achievable goal stretches your limits without being overwhelming or unattainable, helping you build confidence with each step forward.
Keep goals relevant. Align with your values.
Your goals should matter to you and fit with your broader priorities. Ask yourself why the goal is important. When goals align with your personal values and interests, you're more likely to stay committed, even when things get tough.
Set a time frame. Give yourself a deadline.
Every goal needs a timeline. Setting a deadline, like finish by the end of the month, creates a sense of urgency and helps you organize your actions. With a clear endpoint, you can break your goal into steps and monitor your progress over time.
Putting SMART goals into practice.
Now that you know the SMART criteria, try applying them to your next personal goal. Write your goal down, check it against the 5 steps, and adjust as needed. By using this method, you'll greatly increase your chances of achieving meaningful, lasting success.